Well, hey, folks, we are Whyte CPA, and we're out of the Pheonix, Scottsdale, Arizona. We help small businesses with their bookkeeping, their taxes, proactive tax planning. And I'm here with Devin. Devin is our lead CPA, the founder. I'm just on the marketing team. And so I love to help people understand what it is that we do for them. And that's the purpose of this video. So real quick, before I hand it over to Devin to introduce himself, if you are a small business owner, if you have, between 1 and 20 employees and you're looking for somebody to help you with proactive tax planning, to serve as more as an outsourced CFO to help you scale and build a more profitable business. And if you're looking for someone to tackle your bookkeeping, that's what we do here. We do business taxes, bookkeeping, accounting, CFO, and then proactive tax planning. We will make sure that your business is keeping more of what you earn, or you're keeping more of what you earn. We'll make sure that you have pristine financials that you can borrow on, that your lenders will love, that you can actually navigate the future with. And if you like the idea of that, book a consultation. We'll get you set up. And we've really made a sweet little service for everybody. We call it our outsourced accounting model. But Devin, I'm the one that's been drinking coffee all day. Why don't you introduce us? So tell us how long you've been doing this for, when did you get started, and help us understand a little bit of what you got rolling.
Sure. Thank you, Rob. It's been great to have you as part of the team. And as far as me, I'm Devin. I started the firm, and I first started accounting. I got my degree from Idaho State University. And I worked in a regional firm there for 5 or 6 years, and then obviously some more experience between now and then. But we're about 15 years into being a CPA here and living in Scottsdale because you can't shovel sunshine. And so I love the warmth here. And I do work with probably people in about 30 different states, but obviously most people enjoy working with someone local to them. And I am in the Scottsdale area. Would love to talk to anyone here that does own a business and is looking for, how can I save some money? How can I get better insights out of my financial statements? How can I grow my business and save, whether it's just things that I can change in my business to bring, some more efficiency, put more money in my pocket, or maybe I'm overpaying the government in taxes. How can I be sure that I'm paying the least amount I have to? Unfortunately, taxes are a little bit, the same, taxes and death, but we still do what we can to get everything down as low as we can.
And I love how you are like king of the spreadsheet. When it comes to tax planning, you are so good at diving in and making sure that you're identifying every opportunity to save in taxes. And that's your Social Security taxes, your Medicare taxes, your income taxes. And so if you're not convinced that you have somebody aggressively fighting to not only identify, but implement a good tax reduction plan for your individual side and your business side, come to us. We will get you set up. And we always start with kind of a chip on our shoulder. That's kind of the joke I have, that we really want to try and find ways to reduce your taxes and do so in a way that doesn't trigger IRS audits. It actually doesn't take unnecessary risk. It's just the blocking and tackling. And what Devin and I were just laughing about is where that evolves into, and the role that Devin ends up playing with most of our clients' lives is that he will serve as kind of a chief financial officer. So most of the time, once we get your S Corp set up and maximized, we look at retirement and benefits, fringe benefits, maybe hire your kids, get involved in some real estate, look at the long-term estate planning stuff. Once we've done that, as your business scales, our businesses that are scaling, here's what they need. They want help deciding, how do I build cash for the next office or the next piece of machinery? You need to buy a new excavator. We will help you get in position to do that wisely so that you have depreciation schedules, amortization schedules, and opportunities for write-offs that match your income in your business. We want to balance all that out. So the foundations of that is Devin's bookkeeping. We always laugh, like bookkeeping's just, it's like the most unsexy part of the job. Books need to get done. But when Devin does the books, it's not just a bookkeeper. He's a CPA. He's a certified public accountant that delivers a high caliber tax perspective as the books are getting done every month. And so by doing that, that equips us with knowledge about the actual cash flow of your business, the real profitability. And right around Q3 is where all the work we did in the first quarter comes to fruition, and we know that we're caught up on taxes, but now we understand that cash flow can be deployed in some ways to help you grow and mitigate your taxes. So if you like the idea of having really a CFO engage with you. And our fees are anywhere between $500 and $4,500 a month. The way we do this is we do all the bookkeeping, we do the tax planning, we do your tax return. We serve as a CFO throughout the year to help your business scale. And we do that for HVAC companies. We do that for pool contractors. We do this for all patio companies, all sorts of construction, home services, and even like financial. So if you're a real estate agent or anything like that, we can help you with that. But if you like the idea of having somebody come along your team and for very little per week, when you compare the fee that we end up having our clients pay compared to what it takes to get like a full-fledged employee, I mean, we're pennies on the dollar, and you could fire us if you don't like us. But the good news is our clients stick around, and it's been going well. I don't know, Devin, what would you add to that? I mean, short of give us a chance to look at your tax return. What other thoughts do you have?
Yeah. Just that I would love the chance to look at your books, be able to see what opportunities there are, and see if we would be a good fit for each other. And as far as replacing that monthly staff member, I mean, if that is the case, if you're large enough where you really need that staff member, I mean, you're not just replacing a monthly bookkeeper. You're really, for that fee, you're getting tax planning, CFO work, all of those things. Whereas with that monthly person, you're still going to need tax returns done at the end of the year, and you're still going to be wondering if you're overpaying. So
yeah,
I think there's a lot of opportunity there.
And so you've helped scores and scores of businesses. You've got quite the reputation on Google, which that's what I love about what we got going on here. So folks, if you like the idea of doing this, we'd love to help you. So book a consultation. Devin will reach out to you. I'm the marketing guy, and so I understand this whole thing, but he's the one, him and his team will be the ones taking care of you. And we'll look forward to being able to add some value and help your business scale, become more profitable, saving taxes, and keep the IRS away, and spend all your resources on production instead of the bureaucracy of bookkeeping and accounting. So book a consultation. We'll be reaching out very quickly after you connect. So thank you.